Demo and simulation for controlling the motors for ROCC-E. Right now I have created a code that has two modes. On the first mode is automatic, and as we can see, we have four LEDs. These two LEDs control the speed of the motor, and these two control the direction of each individual motor. When these two LEDs are off, the motor is going forward, and on the automatic mode, if it's always moving forward, and if it detects an object within for testing purposes we have it at 20 centimeters, it will stop the motor, which will be having all four LEDs off. And this is a test. It's moving forward, stop, forward, and then stop. Then I also added a second mode that is an automatic. It's an manual mode. Once I enter to manual mode, the motors will be stopped, and then I can control the direction we want the robot to move by sending the correct commands. Right now it's moving forward. When all the LEDs are light up, it's moving backwards. So now it's going on reverse. If the red LED is off, it means that it's going left. So moving left. And if the left LED for the direction is off, it means that it's moving right. And if we want to stop, we send a command to stop, and all LEDs must be off. While on manual mode, if it detects something at the desired rate, it will stop. That's going forward. So if it detects an object, it will stop. Going on reverse, if it detects an object, again it will stop and start moving once the object is removed. The same for going left and right. That's going left, stop, and going right. Also, right here we have the Arduino Micro. Right now it's not doing anything for the code. Right now I'm sending the codes through the laptop, but we have a remote controller that we had created that will send the commands through another XP using an MSP430 to this MSP430. Then this Arduino Micro will receive the command, and then it will pass it to the main controller that controls the motors. The reason we're doing this is because for this test we are only using one ultrasonic sensors when we'll be using more than one. Therefore, since we're using the HC-SR04, this one requires 2 pins on the Arduino for each one of the ultrasonic sensors. Therefore, we'll be running out of pins, so we're using the I2C to control the other ultrasonic sensors and set that information to this one, and this one will relay that information to the controller that is moving the motors.